Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Recipe for today, some corned beef and sweet corn cock soup rice. Remember lumberjack I represent, Jamaican cooking, lumberjack, please like and share. You can see, it's all I spice them and thing they peeps, yeah. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack, please watch the video to the end, like and share. So I have some oil, some seasoning cut up and spice there. I'm going to fry them up on tin peas, yeah. Then go and fry for 5 minutes with the cock soup there. And also stir fry the seasoning for 5 minutes and thing. You see sweet corn, you see bully beef and thing. Whenever show them, I put the bully beef and thing peeps. Yeah. You can see presentation corned beef there. Whenever show them, I put my pot and thing. So I stir it up and thing. Yeah. Peeps. The recipe I got eatable, tastable. Remember corned beef, it's sweet corn and cock soup rice. Please remember to watch the video to the end, like and share. I add a little more oil still, see it not really enough, I don't know. I have to have some gravy. Guys, you can see sweet corn right here. Sweet corn to the bully beef. I'm going to stir it up and thing. Combine together. Remember, it's a recipe I will eatable, tastable. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. Guys, the recipe is nice, simple, natural cooking. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. Please like and share. So you don't say cock soup or boil up and things. So I got the rice and things. So I'm showing step by step. Yes, my peeps. So I have the rice and thing. The cock soup, yeah. So now I stir up the rice and thing. I don't want it itch up and thing to burn. So I have to stir it and we can go and cook and thing. Yes guys, step by step there. So see recipe they ready, corned beef and sweet corn ready and thing. Now I up this on the rice, I have to stir it again because I don't want it to burn up. The more you stir the rice, it's better for you. Right? Because I don't know if you don't stir it, it will burn, and burn rice cannot eat. So recipe I got nice. Eatable. See this rice you know. So I'm gonna stir it up and thing. Yeah. And I'll cover it back. You want steam in ready to about the next 6 to 5 minutes. You can go and steam out the rice there. Yeah. Them grain then watch out the cock soup grain and thing then they see spice and thing for the cock soup. So guys see the recipe ready and thing they know. Yeah. Presentation. Yeah. Eatable, tastable, delicious. Remember for like and share.